Ever pondered the thrill of navigating the labyrinthine waterways of the Amazon? Picture an adventure packed with unexpected encounters, breathtaking landscapes, and the raw essence of life itself. The journey begins in the bustling city of Manaus, Brazil, the gateway to the Amazon. A city steeped in history, where the old-world charm of colonial architecture collides with the vibrant pulse of modern life. Here, one can sense the anticipation, the excitement that bubbles just beneath the surface as the expedition prepares to delve into the heart of the jungle. As the cityscape fades into a distant memory, the mighty Amazon River takes center stage. This is the artery of the rainforest, a life-giving vein that snakes its way through the verdant wilderness. Navigating its waters is like embarking on a voyage through time, venturing into a world that has remained largely untouched by the hands of man. The middle of the journey is a symphony of sound and color. The air thrums with the chorus of countless unseen creatures, a melody that is both exhilarating and awe-inspiring. The forest canopy, a riot of green, is punctuated by bursts of vibrant color as exotic birds flit from tree to tree. And beneath this lush canopy, a world teeming with life unfolds. From the elusive jaguar to the playful capuchin monkey, the Amazon is a testament to the diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Yet this journey isn't just about the spectacular sights and sounds. It's also an exploration of the human spirit. The indigenous communities that call the Amazon home offer a glimpse into a way of life that is intimately tied to the rhythms of the natural world. Their knowledge, wisdom, and respect for the jungle provides a humbling perspective, a reminder of our place within the grand scheme of things. As the journey draws to a close, the sun sets on the Amazon, painting the sky with hues of gold and crimson. The jungle seems to breathe a sigh of relief, settling into the tranquil rhythm of the night. The expedition, once an uncharted foray into the unknown, has transformed into a voyage of discovery, of understanding, and of respect for this incredible ecosystem. So, to recap this exploration, it begins with the anticipation and preparation in Manaus, followed by the thrilling journey through the Amazon River. The heart of the adventure lies in the exploration of the vibrant, teeming life within the rainforest and the interaction with the indigenous communities. The journey concludes with a newfound appreciation for this awe-inspiring ecosystem. Indeed, exploring the Amazon is more than just an adventure. It's an unforgettable experience, a tale of discovery and connection, a journey that leaves a lasting imprint on the soul.